This tutorial is all about basic math operations, formulas, and doing some kind of uh, operations in Excel. So first one is addition. So addition means, as you know, we wanna add two numbers or more numbers. So any formula in Excel starts with equal to symbol. Add means adding, plusing, you can say, or summing up values. So for example, I have two numbers, let's say 12 plus 13. This way we used to add two values. Subtract means minusing up the values. As I told you, any formula in Excel starts with equal to sign. Let's say 10 minus 4, right? Then if you wanna divide the values, for example 20 divide 3, divide symbol is the slash in Excel or in computer language. If you wanna multiply, then again we will start the formula with equal to sign. Let's say I wanna multiply 12 with 5, then multiply symbol is this asterisk in uh, terms of computer, right? So this asterisk, like, this is the way we multiply two values. Now here we manually define the numbers. Now let's say if I have some data and we have to operate on those two datas here, those data values here, then I will start the value formula with equal to sign. Now here, instead of giving the manual values, I will select these cells. To select, to pass these values from different cells, just click on that cell, right? Then addition means plus, I will type, manually type the operator, then again select another value or another operand, press enter, it will give you the resultant. So 20 plus 10 is 30. Now next I wanna subtract it. Just starting my value of formula with equal to sign, will select the cell, type the operand, then select the second cell as the operand, press enter, and it will give you the resultant. 20 minus 10 is 10. Ideally we can do the reverse of this as well, like a smaller number can also become first. So let me start my formula with equal to sign, first operand minus second operand, it will give you the value as minus 10. Now to divide, again I'll start my formula with equal to sign, divide first operand, divide operator as the slash, and second operand, press enter, it will give you the resultant. 10 to the 20, that means 20, if we divide 20 by 10, it will give you the result as 2. Now for multiplication, again formula will start with equal to sign, multiply first operand, multiplication symbol is asterisk, then second operand, plus enter, it will give you the resultant. Now in case, like in maths, you might have studied about BODMAS. So BODMAS is nothing but if we add brackets into these kind of operators and how it will behave. So that brackets, uh, preferences, giving the preferences in case of brackets, that scenario we call it BODMAS. So whatever the equation is coming inside the bracket will be given the first preference. So the very first, if we have this kind of equation, it will give the very first, just ignore these two as of now, right? We will see only these four operators. So first preference will be division, second preference is multiplication, third preference is addition, and fourth operation is subtraction. This is the order of preference. Now in case If we include this, um, if we include this brackets, then BODMAS comes into picture. The order of bracket will be coming first, then uh, other operations will be carried out. So, firstly, the equation inside the bracket will be coming first. So, let me solve this equation first. If I just start, this is just normal text because this is not starting with equal to sign. I will just go, I will just try to use this as my formula. I'll start with equal to sign. 20 plus 10 into 10. So ideally what will happen, first preference will be given to multiplication, then 10 into 10, then the resultant will be added to 20. That means answer should be 10 into 10 100 plus 20 120. So our resultant is the same. Now if I just go with brackets, the equation with brackets. So in this scenario, my brackets should be solved first. That means 20 plus 10, 30, and multiply 10. 30 into 10 is 300, and that's our result. So this is the preference given to our operations and operators in our math functions in Excel. So hope you have understood it. If you have any questions or if you wanna add anything, comment it below, and see you in the next tutorial with some more functions and calculations.